top lesson learned that you all have discovered?
I think Paul picked my mind right before he uttered most of what he uttered. Zero trust is absolutely a cultural shift, and that part of it is meaningful because irrespective of all the talent, technical and otherwise, that you have in your teams, it's requiring folks to kind of think a little differently than what they're used to, right? And sometimes that's hard. And that is the definition of the cultural change that occurs in trying to achieve, this paradigm. At the end of the day, especially for, an organization as large and as diversified mission sets as this, it takes a lot to get this done. This is hard. It's complex. It's comprehensive, and it's a game-changing, architecture. In our experience, I think objectively, some would say that the data pillar is probably the hardest to achieve. Again, especially as a federated agency, it's kind of impossible to start by just trying to just inventory all our data. So, we focused on this notion of, trying to get an accurate count of our identities and our devices, focusing on how they interact with, the data we protect. And you don't have to do this alone. Collaboration, I think, is key. We have many subject matter experts here who do excellent work in many facets across the agency. And we've been fortunate enough to create an atmosphere of collaboration through our Zero Trust Working Group and through virtual event platforms like data-wide tech exchanges, where we can hear success stories and learn from each other's experiences.